Welcome, guys. Welcome to Cooking with Nina. Let's get excited. It's a chili day, guys. So I'm gonna give you briefly my Caribbean style spicy chili. Okay, so you wanna saute your ground beef first. Okay, you can use a pack of ground beef. Okay, depending on how many people you're making chili for. Okay, you want to chop up one onion, one bell pepper, one tomato, 5 cloves of fresh garlic, and you're going to season your ground beef and you're going to cook that down first. Then you're going to drain your oil off, okay, and you want to put it back in your pot, okay. Now you're going to add some beef broth or a couple cups of water, okay, either one. Then you would add your red kidney beans in the can, okay, and you would also use some chili mix, okay, and you want to put that all in and you stir and let it cook for about 30 minutes. If you notice, my chili is a little bit thick. You see that? It's nice and thick. So you want to add maybe about 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it up and you put it in and you stir it. And this is going to make your chili a little bit thick. You can add cheese if you like. Quick meal, ready to go on a Saturday evening or lunchtime. Once again, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my cooking channel, Cooking with Nina on YouTube. We also have chicken chili, guys, okay? We made the chicken chili pretty much the same way, okay? You want to saute your ground chicken after you kind of chop it up, mince it up. Okay, I use chicken breast and minced it up. Put it back in my pot. Same thing with my onion, bell pepper, tomato, fresh garlic. Cook it down. Add my beans, my chili mix. Okay, you can use chicken chili mix because this is chicken chili. Once again, make sure you hit like, subscribe. Cooking with Nina. Let's get excited. You be blessed. And now you're gonna thicken this also. Okay, tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it in, stir it in, and you make your chili a little thick. All right, guys, be blessed. This is a quick one.